Okay, assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Okay, so we have gone through last chapter, okay, enzymes, and the fourth chapter, which is chemical substances in your body. So for this chapter, we will look into deeper how does your cells divide, okay, especially the two terms that you need to know is mitosis and meiosis. Okay, so before we get into the what is the process of meiosis and mitosis, okay, we need to know the definition of very crucial term that you need to know, okay, and to avoid any kekeliruan. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is the definition of cell division. Okay, why do we need a cell division? Okay, because cell division is needed in order to replace dead cells, okay, with the new cells. Okay, because cells is like a human itself. Okay, it grows and it divides and die. Okay, so the dead cell need to be replaced with the new cell. Okay, so the new cell came also from the pre-existing cells. Okay, basically the cells can be divided, okay, and the previous one will die, and the new one will divide, and the new one will also die, and the process will continue until forever. Okay, so cell division is very complicated process, and to understand it, okay, require a very tremendous study. Okay, because each process required a different kind of knowledge. Okay, so we need to go into deeper for each stage in cell division. Okay, so there are two stages involved in cell division. Okay, there are two stages. Okay, the first one is, we call it as karyokinesis. Okay, it's a nuclear division. Okay, which means the nucleus in the cell need to be divided. Okay, and cytokinesis came from the word cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm division. Okay, so there are two: karyokinesis, the nucleus itself need to be divided, and also cytokinesis, which is cytoplasm division. Okay, so the first karyokinesis, okay, it happens during the M phase. Okay, what is M phase? Okay, M phase is also called as mitotic phase. Okay, so as you can see, this is the life cycle of a cell. Okay, this is the what we call as mitotic phase, and inside mitotic phase we have another 4 substages. Okay, PMAT. You can recall it as PubMat. Okay, you will learn more deeper in mitosis. Okay, and at the end of the mitotic phase is where the cytokinesis occur. Okay, so cytokinesis basically when all the nucleus have been divided, when all the nucleus is when the chromosome is equally divided, and then cytokinesis will occur. Barulah cytoplasm tu akan bahagi dua. Maksudnya barulah the new cell is occurring. Okay. So I think you have learned, you already know binary fission. Basically, binary fission is very simple. It occurs in the unicellular organism, such as what? Okay, you need to recall it. Okay, basically in every cell division, regardless of whether it is a binary fission, mitosis, or meiosis, the first thing that need to occur is the DNA replication. Okay, the DNA is the blueprint of the cell, so it need to be replicated first, and then barulah cytoplasm tu akan berlaku. Okay, so mitosis, okay, meiosis. Okay, okay, in this subtopic, okay, you need to know the definition of haploid, diploid, chromatin, homologous chromosome, paternal chromosome. Paternal chromosome basically chromosome that came from paternal side, which is your father's side. And maternal chromosome is a chromosome that is originated from your mother side. Okay. So what is there are two types of cells. Okay. Okay. That's now you learn about two types of two stages in cell division: karyokinesis, karyonuclear, cytoplasm. So organism cell have two types. Okay, somatic cell, which is also referred as body cell. Okay, gamete is a reproductive cell. So somatic cell is actually any type of cell other than reproductive cells. Okay, such as your epithelial cells, fat cells, whatever you have learned, nerve cells, blood cell. Okay, all of that is can be grouped into somatic cells. Gamete cell is a reproductive cell, which we only know that only has two, sperm and ovum. Okay. So somatic cells are produced through the mitosis process. Okay, as we all know, human has 46 pair of chromosomes. Okay, it contains a diploid number of chromosomes. Diploid means two sets. That is, each cell contains two sets of chromosomes. Okay, meaning that all our body cells, somatic cell, okay, fat cells, nerve cells, okay, epithelial cell, okay, has a 46 pair of chromosome. Kamu tengok dua tu kan. Okay, but for gamete cell, okay, it only has 23, which is half of the what is in the somatic cell. Okay, because gamete cell, kenapa gamete cell cuma ada 23? Sebab gamete cell dia akan fuse together with another gamete cell either from mother or father. Sebab tu sperm dia akan ada 23 pair of chromosome. 23 chromosomes, and ovum will have a 23 chromosome. Okay, when it fuse together, the total number will be 46. Okay, sebab itulah gamete cell cuma ada haploid, cuma setengah daripada yang normal human ada, iaitu 46 chromosome. Okay, so this is what we call, okay, yang saya cakap tadi, haploid, a copy of each chromosome. Okay, only half, and this is only occur in gamete cells, reproductive cell, your sperm, your ovum. Okay, this is diploid in somatic cells. Okay, 3 pairs of homologous chromosome. Okay, what is homologous chromosome? Homologous chromosome can be defined as a chromosome that have the same length. As you can see, homo maksudnya dia sama. So dia akan ada the same length, cuma satu daripada parent yang lain. Okay, daripada ibu contohnya, dan satu lagi is from your father side. So bila dua ni gabung, jadilah satu homologous chromosome. Okay, maksudnya kedua-duanya tu sama panjang. Okay, as you can see, same length, this is same length. And the centromere is the center of the chromosome, is located on the same sama bahagian juga dekat atas ni. Okay. Okay, ni apa yang saya cakap tadi lah. Okay, diploid versus haploid. Describe cells when chromosomes are found in pairs. Okay, masuk dalam perpasangan kita panggil diploid. Kalau haploid, cuma satu je. Okay, the haploid only can be found in gamete cells. Okay, sperm and egg cell, ovum. Diploid, 2 set of chromosome. Okay, maksudnya ada 2 kromosom, 1 kromosom from maternal, 1 kromosom from paternal. Kita panggil diploid. Dia ada 2. Okay, dan all body cell is diploid. Okay, sebab tu kalau awak nak buat clone, for example kan, kalau you nak buat clone, awak tak ambil haploid cell because it only has 1 set, kan? Selalu kromosom, kalau if you want to do a clone, if you're interested in cloning, usually we will take somatic cell, body cell, because body cell definitely has 2 sets of chromosome diploid. Okay. Okay, this is the differences between each definition. Okay, chromatin, you need to know what is chromatin here. Centromere is the center of the chromosome. Okay, usually when the chromosome tengah-tengah tu. Okay, chromosome and chromatin. Okay, chromatin, simple DNA. As you can see, you have learned in chapter 4, simple DNA. Okay, ATCG will wrap around histone protein and form nucleosome. And this nucleosome will be arranged together together dalam satu line. Yang ni kita panggil sebagai chromatin. Dia macam dengan a very loose DNA structure. Maksudnya dia tak lagi di tightly coil, masih lagi simple strand macam dengan benang tu. Okay. And then bila chromatin ni will coil, dia akan berpusing, dia akan lilit, and then dia akan hasilkan chromatin. Okay, one part of chromosome we call it chromatid. Okay, 2 part of chromatid we call it as a 1 chromosome. Okay, okay, simple as that. Okay, so if you have any question, okay, you can ask me. You can drop comments below. Okay, thank you so much for listening.